guys, we're back for another cooking and cussing today.
Oh my
Jay, right there, I'm going to put a link below to his channel, and I will be cooking something called Favorite Baked Spaghetti. This takes 25 minutes preparation time and 1 hour bake time, and it serves 10. So this will be a good one for leftovers. I'm going to show you a picture of it around here. And so far we have out the onions, which I chopped, some sauce, some cottage cheese, got some spaghetti going right now, and Jay's getting ready to work on the ground beef and the onions. So after all that stuff is done, we'll come back and show you how it's going to get all put in the pan. See you in a minute. Okay, someone, I won't name any names, I'll just fucking point, didn't get enough of the mozzarella. That is abusive, sir, and I will not fucking stand for it. Hey, you're dropping noodles everywhere, man.
What noodles? What are you talking about? My noodle's still on the fork. Thank you very much. I can control my noodles.
It looked like it was dropping.
No.
Anyway, so we only have 8 ounces of mozzarella. We should have 16, so the mozzarella is going to be half. And it takes 1/3 cup of Parmesan cheese right here. So yeah, now we're just waiting for, oh, and 2 eggs. So what'd you say, I have to mix all this in a bowl?
On the instructions there.
Well, I'm trying to be my own camera person, so if you could read just the part that I need to be working on right now, I would greatly appreciate that. Sorry you guys, didn't mean to boob shot you. Hold on, there we go. Alright, so I need a bowl.
Large bowl.
Mixing bowl, okay. And I do 2 eggs, is that right?
Mm-hmm.
Let me see if
And
I
the
can.
butter and the Parmesan cheese.
He didn't ever say anything about any butter.
Yeah, I did.
We don't have any butter measured out.
We had the sticks and then you gotta melt it.
Alright, so first we'll do the eggs. 1 egg. Woo! 2 eggs. Okay, so what do I do with the eggs?
Whisk them together with the butter and the Parmesan. That's what the
Whisk them together with butter and the Parmesan. Will you give me the butter, please? Get those eggs mixed and go ahead and put the Parmesan in. I need you to put it in a glass thing and, oh, Jesus Christ. Jay, please be careful. For fuck's sake, the last thing we need is you having some kind of massive burn. You guys hear that popping and snapping? That's a hot pan Jay's playing with. Jeez.
Everything's safe over here. She's freaking out for no reason.
I think I have good reason to freak out. Okay, so how much butter?
I don't know.
Oh
I
my God.
just don't know. My God.
How much butter?
Tablespoon.
How many tablespoons?
1 tablespoon.
Oh, well that's not very much at all. That is a very small amount of butter. Alright, so we'll go ahead and cut 1 tablespoon of butter. Put it in a little glass container to melt it. Zap it in the microwave. 15 seconds. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and put the butter back in the refrigerator. And that's all we needed it for. Alright. More seconds. yeah.
Alright, and then the spaghetti mix goes in.
Here we go. Lots of butter.
The spaghetti stuff goes in with some salt.
Goes in this.
No, in the spaghetti order. What it says.
Okay. I'm just trying to clarify. Okay, I got the butter in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and incorporate it together. Okay, I've got the wet ingredients with the cheese incorporated. Now what? When do we do the cottage cheese action? We're done with the
We'll be doing layers with that.
later.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, okay. I see what you did there. You incorporated the sauce with the noodles.
Mixing it all together soon enough.
Alright.
Get a real spoon for this spaghetti.
Let me show you guys what he's doing over here. He's mixed the sauce into the spaghetti.
Yeah, we need a little more room in here.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. Alright, we'll be back at the next step. Okay, spaghetti and sauce have been combined. Jay is browning the beef currently. And then we will add, once the beef gets broken up a little bit, I'm going to add in the onions right here.
Yeah, go ahead.
There we go.
Someone turn down the heat.
Oh, me? Whoops, uh-oh. Oh shit, I got cut. Alright guys, I will get back with you at the next step. Bye for now. Okay, so what did you fuck up exactly?
Trying to tell you the instructions and do other shit that you didn't make, you know, timing on for the spaghettis. I got confused and put the spaghetti sauce with the spaghetti. And it's supposed to go in this after draining it.
So spaghetti sauce was supposed to go and match with the meat and the onions, and this mixture was supposed to go with the noodles. So what does that mean exactly?
I don't know. We're just gonna wing it.
Yeah, I know. I'm asking how are you going to wing it? What does that mean?
I haven't comprehended what I've done wrong yet. I have to figure it out. Read the instructions a couple more times, see how we can figure this out.
Alright, when he comes up with a solution, we'll be back. Alright, so he's decided to go ahead and put it in the spaghetti sauce, spaghetti mixture. Because we really don't know what else to do, so. Well, no, we'll see.
You didn't melt the cheese down, did you?
I didn't know I was supposed to melt cheese, just the butter is the only thing you told me that needed to be melted. It'll all melt in the oven anyway.
Yeah.
Alright. We shall see. The meat and onions is coming along. Alright guys, we'll be back in a bit. For those who need a tip on draining, I usually take a bowl, cover this drain up, put some paper towels, and then a strainer. I think today's about done. Yep. Here the meat goes and onions for straining. You're not making this very camera friendly.
You should be on my other side.
You know, you should have just flipped the pan to the other side.
How am I supposed to? I'm right-handed.
Oh my god. Working with an amateur here.
I'll smack you with this.
You guys heard that. That was a fucking threat. A threat! Smells really good.
Now we need to get the...
Alright you guys, I just greased the pan with a little bit of olive oil. And I think we're ready to start putting everything together.
Yep.
So what goes first? The noodles?
Yeah, half of them.
Okay, so half of the noodle mixture. Looks like about half. You may need scissors to...
Let go of that half. Let go of it.
Being a stubborn little shit.
Yeah, someone did split the noodles in half.
Well, it didn't say.
Oh my goodness. This is why you should wait till the chef gets back.
Oh my. Alright, that's about half.
Yeah, I'm just trying to get it under control here. There we go. Alright, and then we need half cottage cheese put down.
It's
I
right
need to
there.
make sure that
Double, triple check.
top it with half the cottage cheese, meat sauce, and mozzarella cheese.
Alright, cool.
So we'll do the cottage cheese, no, the meat mix first.
It says cottage cheese, then meat.
Alright.
Just use the same spoon because we're using the whole thing, so no reason in messing something else up. That looks like about half.
Mm-hmm. I'm spreading it out.
Now the meat mixture. Half of that too?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Doing layers here. Spread it out.
And then a layer of mozzarella.
Where's the mozzarella?
Mozzarella. Now sadly we don't have as much mozzarella as what would normally be used in this recipe. But that's alright. We will manage.
Don't you touch my mozzarella!
Oh my. Somebody never learned to share. What was that?
Nothing. I didn't say nothing. And then we repeat.
Alright.
Yep. So the rest is of the spaghetti with the spaghetti sauce.
We will definitely have leftovers. Because my
Just a
God.
little bit. Just a smidge.
This serves 10 and we're only 3, so we should have leftovers for
For
a
a week.
for a few meals.
Yeah, exactly. Like a couple days at least. Try to make this a budget meal.
Mm-hmm. Dinner on a budget. In one pan, which is always a
We'll be
huge
doing the pot
plus.
roast soon too.
Yep.
Alright, not as much mozzarella or cottage cheese as we needed.
That's alright.
It works.
I think it'll work just
Hopefully
fine.
it'll be edible and not wasteful.
I'm sure. Meat and then the mozzarella. Today is February the 13th, 2017. Tomorrow is Valentine's Day. Let me know if you guys have any plans or what your plans are for Valentine's Day this year. And have you tried any meals that are similar to this one, or have you tried this meal itself? I will put the ingredients and the directions in the description of this video, so it makes it easy if anyone wants to try this. If you do give this a try, based on the fact that you saw me post this video, then I would love it if you let me know that. If you take a picture or anything, feel free to tag me, or if you make a video, feel free to put a link below. And how long does this go in the oven for, Jay?
40 minutes, I think. At 350 degrees.
For 40 minutes.
40 minutes. Uncover, bake another 20 to 25 minutes longer until cheese is melted.
All right, so 40 minutes. Oh, uncover. So we need foil, right? If it says uncover, then it needs to be covered at some point.
Cover and bake at 350.
Okay. Reynolds wrap to the rescue. sauce on the counter.
Some sauce on the counter.
Alright, you guys. Get in there, Jay. Get it in there. Alright, guys. We'll see you in about 40. Bye. Alright, you guys. It's time to take the foil off.
And what else?
And then put it back in for, I don't know, X amount of time, I guess.
20 to 25 minutes.
Alright, so let's see how it looks. Looking mighty cheesy. Alright, another 20 minutes and we should be good to eat. Alright, you guys, it is out of the oven. It is bubbling. It is hot. It smells really nice, so we'll let it cool off a few and dish it up and have a taste. Alright, you guys, I have it right here. We're going to give it a try. It smells really nice. Ooh, looks hot. Trying to get a little bit of all the ingredients on one bite. There we go. Hot. Pretty good. We did mess up though. In the directions it was 5 tablespoons of butter, not 1. Didn't realize that until it was way too late. Oh well. Alright guys. Thanks so much for watching this. And I'll see you in the next Cooking and Cussing. Bye.